So, ayun na nga guys, magandang araw sa lahat. This is Sir Carl guys. So, for today's video guys, gusto ko lang ibahagi ang aking kaalaman patungkol dito sa ating topic for today na arithmetic and geometric sequence. So, in a very simple way. So, napakasimple lang nito guys. Samahan nyo ako guys para mas madagdagan pa inyong kaalaman patungkol dito. At kung wala naman kayong kaalaman patungkol pa dito, mas mainam o napakahalaga nito na dapat nyo matutunan. By the way guys, for those people na aspiring na maging civil servant, so napakahalaga ito sa ating civil service examination kasi maraming related question na gumagamit ng arithmetic at geometric sequence. So napakahalaga nito guys. So please bear with me. I-explain ko ito ng napaka-simpleng paraan. So ayun na nga. So before anything else guys, so let us define muna guys kung ano bang arithmetic sequence at geometric sequence. So ang arithmetic sequence guys, it is a pattern of a number where you keep adding or subtracting the same number. So, pay attention tayo guys ha. So, adding and subtracting. So, pag arithmetic ang sequence guys, so, it's either positive o adding guys, addition o subtraction guys. Pag increasing guys, ang ginagamit natin guys, pag increasing ay ito guys, addition. Pag decreasing na naman guys, subtraction. Pag arithmetic sequence guys. So, on the other hand guys, ang geometric sequence naman ay it is a pattern of numbers where you keep multiplying or dividing by the same number. So, ang geometric pala guys ay gumagamit ng multiplication at division. So, tip ko lang sa inyo guys, pag makikita nyo sa question guys na ang laki ng kanyang tinalon guys, from hindi siya matrack ng by adding lang or by subtraction lang guys. But anyways, itatakal ko naman ito guys ng more detail guys sa ating next sample. So dito muna tayo sa ating arithmetic sequence guys. So like what I have said guys, na arithmetic sequence guys, it deals with addition and subtractions. So basically, addition at subtraction siya. So proceed tayo sa ating first example, from 5 to 10, from 10 to 15, from 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 5. So napakasimple lang guys. By looking pa lang guys sa question guys, alam na natin. So nag-add lang siya ng 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 na naman, nag-add na naman siya ng 5. So 15. So nag-add na naman ng 5, 20, 25. So ang next ang number nito guys is 30 guys. So medyo simple pa lang ito guys. So dito naman tayo guys. So as you can observe guys, pag increasing siya guys, addition lang tayo guys. Add lang tayo ng 5, another 5 na naman, another 5 na naman. So, ganyan lang guys. So, ang pangalawa natin example, from 90 to 75 to 60 to 45. So, as you can see guys, pa-decrease siya guys. So, ang gagamitin natin dito guys ay subtracting guys. So, 90 minus 75. So, ang kanyang pattern is 15. So, ayun. Minus 15 tayo guys. 75 minus 60. So, another 15 minus 15 na naman. So, pangalawang pattern pa lang guys, pwede na tayong, hindi na natin kunin ang next nakasunod na numero guys. So, proceed na tayo dito guys. So, 30 minus 15. So, ang answer nito guys is 15. So, ganun lang guys. Huwag na nating isa-isahin pa kasi time consuming na. So, for the third example guys, from 11, 26, 41, 56 to 71. So, adding naman tayo guys kasi pa-increasing naman. So, 11 plus 26. So, anong i-add natin para gawin 26? So, 15. Add lang tayo ng 15 para gawin 26. 26, para maging 21, add na naman tayo ng 15. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, pag makuha na natin ng pattern ng pangalawa, most likely na ito lang rin ang pattern ng pangatlo, pang-apat, pang-lima. So, skip na natin yun guys, kasi napakasimple na naman ito guys. So, 71 plus 15, so ano guys? So, ang answer is, 86. So, nakuha na natin guys. So, ito na ang answer natin guys, arithmetic guys. So, napakasimple lang ito guys. So, sa geometric sequence na naman guys, so, pay attention tayo dito sa multiplication at division. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina guys, pag malaki ang tinalo na numero guys, so most probably, geometric ang sequence nito guys. So dito tayo sa ating first example guys. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So kung familiar tayo sa multiplication guys, madali na nating ma-distinguish guys kung ano ang pattern nito guys. So kagaya nito, 2 naging 4. So 4 naging 8, 8 naging 16, 16 naging 32. So ang pattern nito guys is magta times 2 lang tayo guys. So from 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. So 32 times 2 equals, ang sunod na number nito guys is 64. So ganun lang guys. So nag times 2 lang tayo guys sa bawat numero guys. So dito na naman tayo guys sa pangalawang example guys. From 625 naging 125, naging 25, naging 5, naging 1. At susubukan natin hanapin kung ano ang pattern nito guys. It's either multiplication or division. So, ano kaya ang pattern nito, guys? So, nag-divide lang ito ng 5. So, ayun na nga. Nag-divide ito ng 5. 625 divide 5 equals 125. 125 divide 5 equals 25. So, 25 divide 5 equals 5. 5 divide 5 equals 1. So, 1 divide 5, guys. So, ano ang kasunod nito, guys? So, tama kayo, guys. 0.20. Dito naman, guys. So, from 3, naging 9, naging 27, naging 81, naging 243. So, ang pattern nito, guys, is, ano? Sa tingin nyo, ano? Times 3 lang, guys. 3 times 3. 9. 9 times 3. 27. 27 times 3. 81. 81 times 3. 243. 243 times 3. Ano? 729. Hindi pa ito tapos, guys. So, tignan muna natin, guys, kung positive pa or negative, guys. So, from here, from 3 to 27, puro sila positive. May interval na isa. Another interval na naman. So, dito na naman, dito. So, ayun na nga. So, ang gagamitin natin na symbol is negative 729. So, ito ang ating answer, guys. So, nag-times 3 tayo, guys. At ang kanyang pattern is interval na symbol. From positive to negative. Positive na naman to negative. Something like that. So, ang ating final answer is negative 729. So, yun. Ganun lang, guys. Napakasimple lang, guys. So, ayun lang, guys. Tatandaan lang natin, guys, na ang arithmetic ay gumagamit ng addition at subtraction or minus. Ang geometric naman is gumagamit ng times or divide. So, ayun lang, guys. Napakasimple lang, guys. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. So, ayun, guys. Maraming salamat. So, ulitin, guys. So, once again, this is Sir Carl at your service. Bye-bye.